For a moment, imagine a mind not as an uncharted land, but as a great house, one into which you are invited. Gradually it becomes apparent that this house, or hall, is far from safe. In fact, its rooms and contents are so unstable that if the place were to be put on the market, the words fixtures and fittings would be considered misleading. And yet many of the papers written here seem to be based on the securest of foundations. Perhaps it is the insecure nature of the surroundings that has led to works that are, by contrast, so solidly built. Instability is by no means the only feature. Variety is also of a high order, and one can find here almost everything, from the arcane to the ordinary, and from the prehistoric to the contemporary. Though the variety of the things we find here is much greater than one would expect to find in any zoo or museum, many visitors would still prefer to pay more to see less at a zoo or in a museum. Apart from the overcrowding, dissatisfaction also arises because there are only very small pieces of things. Apparently, this is because each item is only required to represent its epoch. Consequently, we find the snippet of a mummy's cloth, a splinter from the true cross, or a sliver of Roman glass. Our guide explains that the smaller the pieces are, the more effective the dosage they provide the senses. But the discerning visitor is unconvinced, suspecting that the real reason for all these fragments is it merely allows the occupants to cram more in.